Hello and welcome to airbedrepair.com. This is Brandon, the Air Pro, and I've got a little information for you about our patch kits for sleep number bed air chamber repair. Now, just to let you know, of course, I want to make it clear that I'm not Sleep Number, but I can help you fix your bed, and I have all the parts necessary and the knowledge that goes along with it to walk you through the process. And I want to show you our small patch kit. This is a great value. It gives you a three-step process. There's a double bonded small patch that you can use to patch a hole. And as it starts to foam up around the edge, you can put this as a double bond. And then of course, if you absolutely had to, there's a 3-shot coverage over a hole. Now, a lot of people will call and ask different questions about how to find the leak in their sleep number bed, or they've found multiple holes. If there are multiple holes, what's happening inside the chamber is that it's drying out. And if you try to patch that hole, there's not a lot of success in it. Also, if you've got a complete tear where the air chamber will not hold its air, the odds are you're not going to be able to repair that, because what's going to happen is the air chamber is going to not hold its shape, and there's a strong possibility that where the tear in the chamber is and it's flat, that when you try to glue it, you're going to glue the top to the bottom. And that's kind of what we're talking about. But the key is to get the air chamber to hold its shape, fill it all the way up to full outside of the bed, spray it down, find your leaks. If you're not finding your leaks, what you want to do is have the air chamber consistently pushing air in, and then you want to push in on the chamber to force the air out and look for bubbles. The other thing is, if you come along to your side wall and if you look in the corner, if you have a tear or a leak in one of these cracks, this is an internal butterfly patch, and it's specifically designed for the corner. This will tuck in there and you can glue it in place and mend where this is a common place for the air leaks to happen, is where these creases are in the side wall of your air chamber. And what this is a pre-folded piece that'll tuck in there and you can glue it. We also have an extra large patch kit and a large patch kit, which has larger pieces of the plain material that you can manipulate by cutting or trimming or tearing. We can get pieces in the large patch kit up to about 4 inches by 4 inches in the XL. And then the large kit has a 2x4 square, and they come with more circles, obviously, if you needed more circles for other holes. But this is a quick run through on the different types of patches that we have to help you repair your air chamber. And if you have any more questions, feel free to reach out to me. My name's Brandon, and I'm the Air Pro at airbedrepair.com. And I hope you're having a beautiful day. I know that this can be a trying time if you're trying to fix an air chamber, but rest assured, I'm a phone call away and I'll be happy to help. I hope you have a beautiful day, and talk to you soon.